Today I'm taking on the challenge, a no-bake mango cheesecake with a twist, a crunchy Lotus Biscuit Crust. Can I pull it off? Stay tuned. Hi foodies, welcome back to Yummy Foodies. I'll show you how to make this creamy, fruity cheesecake that needs no oven and sets in the fridge, perfect for summer. And super simple. Make the crust. First, place 130-gram Lotus biscuits in a Ziploc bag, crush to a fine crumble. Use a rolling pin or a food processor. Pour 50 grams melted butter into the crumbs and mix until fully combined. Now transfer the mixed biscuit crumbs into a 7-inch cake pan with a removable bottom. Press it down evenly using the back of a spoon to form a firm base. Chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Prepare the cheesecake filling. Take 300-gram cream cheese at room temperature. Whisk until smooth and fluffy. Add 150 milliliters chilled whipped cream and mix until combined and gently until the mixture thickens a bit. Don't overmix. Next, add 250 g condensed milk. Now add 1.5 cups mango pulp. Mix until combined. Mix gently until you get a silky mango-colored cheesecake mix. Take 10 g gelatin powder, sprinkle into 1/4 cup warm water and stir until fully dissolved. Add 2-3 spoons of the cheesecake. Mix into the dissolved gelatin and stir quickly. Then pour the tempered gelatin back into the main cheesecake bowl and mix well. Assemble and chill. Pour the cheesecake filling over the chilled lotus base. Tap the pan gently on the counter a few times to release air. Spoon extra mango pulp in. Skewer to make pretty swirls. Refrigerate overnight, minimum 8 hours until fully set. Now for the best part, unmold the cheesecake carefully and see the soft creamy texture with that crunchy lotus base and vibrant mango swirl. Gorgeous. That's it. A stunning no-bake mango cheesecake with lotus crust. Crunchy, creamy, and bursting with mango, all without an oven. If you loved this, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to Yummy Foodies. Tell me in the comments, what cheesecake flavor should I try next?